So guys, welcome you all to this video. In this video I am going to share with all of you an amazing fact of mathematics. The story begins with the series. This is the series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to infinity. What will be the sum of this series? Do you know the answer? I think some of you may guess that this is sum of a natural number, so obviously its answer will be n into n plus 1 by 2, as n tends to infinity it will give us infinity as our answer. But do you know the fact that our great mathematician Ramanujan gave the value of this series as minus 1 by 12? Isn't it shocking? Or sometimes it looks absurd kind of thing, but obviously it has a very good proof and you will definitely accept this proof as well. So in this video I am going to share with all of you that how 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to infinity, that is the sum of the positive integers, in fact the sum of the natural number, it is minus 1 by 12. With two methods I am going to give the idea that how the things are working for this scenario. Okay, after watching this video you can have some Google search on it and definitely you will get many more information regarding this topic. So let's get started. So we get started with three infinite series. First infinite series is our S1, which is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on. Second infinite series is S2, which is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 and so on. The third one is our S, which we need to find out, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on. Okay, so these are the three infinite series. We will find the value of the last series by using the result from 1 and 2. Correct? Okay, before going on to the proof and all the stuffs, here I would like to mention that the result, that is the value of the series, is equals to minus 1 by 12. In fact, we are adding all the positive integers and we are getting a minus quantity. It doesn't make any sense, but if I tell you that it has a huge impact in quantum field theory and string theory. In fact, many problems regarding black hole has been solved by using particularly this value of minus 1 by 12 instead of this infinite series. So what to tell about it? So it is very interesting, and now we are in a position to start with the proof. Okay, so the first series is S1, which is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on. This series, in the very next step you can write like this way: S1 is equals to 1, take a minus common and you will have inside the bracket the terms like 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on. Okay, and this is nothing but your S1. So in the next step you can write S1 is equals to 1 minus S1, which will ultimately lead you that 2 S1 is equals to 1 and S1 is equals to half. Okay, fine, this is your one result and we are going to use this result in our next work. Okay, now your S2 is nothing but your 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 and so on. Okay, and in the next step we can write S2 is equals to like this way. Okay, just shift one space and you add up this quantity, you will end up that 2S2 is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on, which is nothing but your S1. Correct? And you got that S1 is equals to half. So what we have? 2S2 is equals to half. Fine, that implies S2 is nothing but your 1 by 4. Correct? Okay, this is your second result. Fine, now ultimately we need to investigate what is the scenario for S, and S is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to infinity. And now what we do with this S, that write this S2 just below of this S like this way. Correct? And now we subtract these two fellows and we have S minus S2 as 4 plus 8 plus 12 and so on. Correct? So now we have s minus s2 is equals to 4 common, and we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. Correct? Okay, that means s minus s2 is going to be 4s, and ultimately we have 3s is equals to minus s2. And what we got our s2? s2 is nothing but 1 by 4. So we have 3s is equals to minus 1 by 4. That implies s is equals to minus 1 by 12. And what is s? S means 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to infinity is going to be minus 1 by 12. Isn't it shocking? If yes, and if you find it interesting, then I suggest you that go to Google and search about it and gain many more knowledge regarding this phenomena. Okay, it looks like an absurd thing, but it also suggests us that our mind should be broad enough and we should have many more mathematical tools so that we can grab this sort of knowledge also. Because in our usual sense it looks like a nonsensical thing, but you can imagine the huge problems like black hole related problems, string theory, these have already been solved by using this particular result. Okay, fine. This was one proof, and this proof you can find it in Google anywhere. You just search it and you will definitely find this proof. It has another proof also. Here I would like to show you this proof. So now we will start with another proof. It is, first of all, write s as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. In the very next step we will multiply it by 4 and write it like this way, that now subtract it and you will have minus 3. S is equals to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 and so on. Okay, in the right hand side just focus it and you will have a flavor that this is nothing but binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n, where x is equals to 1 and n equals to minus 2, isn't it? Okay, so ultimately what we are getting, 1 by 2 whole square is equals to 1 by 4. So here in the left hand side we have minus 3s, and here we are getting 1 by 4, and s was our mother series. Correct? Thus we are getting 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on is equals to minus 1 by 12. So this was for today's video, and if you find this helpful for yourself, then please share it with your group so that many more maths lover like you can get the flavor of mathematics from this channel, because each and every Sunday we will upload a video regarding math facts. Okay, and one important information for you, that here in the description box and in the I button I have provided a channel's link, AN Zone. You just go there and you will find how to square a number, 2-digit or 3-digit number within few seconds, and also some amazing facts are there in that channel. You can go there and check it out. If you find those videos helpful, do subscribe to AN Zone. Bye, meet you soon in the next video with another facts of mathematics.